court, Reynolds Consumer Products, the maker of Hefty trash bags, is under fire tonight for what one state says is false advertising. Hefty says its bags are perfect for all your recycling needs, a specific brand, but Connecticut's Attorney General begs to differ, arguing those bags can't actually be recycled in his state and that constitutes a violation of the state's unfair trade practices. Let's talk trash as we welcome criminal defense attorney Bob Bianchi and attorney Andrew Stoltmann. Gentlemen, welcome back. I'm going to kick you off with Exhibit A. This is from the Connecticut Attorney General, William Tong. He says Hefty recycling bags are not recyclable, and any recyclable items inside them are tossed on the trash heap. But you would never know that based on Reynolds' false advertisements. Reynolds deceived Connecticut families and undermined our state's recycling systems. Andrew.
It's the nanny state that has gone too far. You're trying to tell me the Connecticut Attorney General doesn't have better things to do with rising crime, with thousands of high-income earners moving to Florida, to focus in on trash bags? Connecticut is the only way that defines these trash bags the way Connecticut does. It's an Attorney General who has gone too far.
Okay, well then that takes us to Exhibit B, because the parent company of Hefty gave a statement to a local Fox station up there in Connecticut. Says this: at this time, we have not received any formal notice of a lawsuit from Attorney General Tong or the state of Connecticut regarding this matter, and therefore we are unable to comment. One of our producers noted that it looks like the online link to these recyclable bags, maybe Hefty has potentially taken it down. But Bob, they say so far they can't comment.
Yeah, well, I mean, that could be a response. If they don't have it, that they don't comment. But when I was the prosecutor, Shannon, if I had a dime for every time somebody said to me, well, why are you prosecuting all laws as opposed to the really, really big ones? We hear that all the time. But the fact is, a law is a law. And I'm typically not in favor of these things, Shannon. I'm very liberal with, come on, it's caveat emptor, and let's not get too picky, if you will, about these things. But in these trash bags, the AG spells out a very specific and very detailed complaint about how clearly, as you can see on the screen right now, they're using as if it's environmentally friendly. They're using all of the bells and whistles. They're saying it's suitable for your municipal recyclables. And the bottom line here in Connecticut is that not only is the bag not recyclable, even if you have recyclables in the bag, it all has to go to a landfill or an incinerator, which is exactly the reason why most of these laws in the states put these things into place. The bottom line is, if you're putting a product out in the stream of commerce in this country, we've all seen it. It says, except for California, New Jersey, right, Arizona, you put something in there that lets them know this is not suitable in your particular state. So I think the AG, while it may seem like a small thing, it's really not environmentally. If they want to enforce the laws, they file these lawsuits, and trust me, they've got plenty of folks that can easily do it and take care of crime at the same time.
Okay, so Exhibit C, this is a statement from the Department of Energy and Environmental Protection Commissioner Katie Dykes there in Connecticut. She says she's working with the AG. She says contamination in our recycling system is costly, and the materials recovery facilities in our state have been clear that plastic bags in their mixed stream are detrimental and unsafe for their staff and their equipment and can reduce the value of their commodities. Andrew, start with you, if you can make it pithy so we can give Bob a final word too.
Yeah, they're probably right, but Connecticut is the only state that defines the recyclable bag in this way. It's a Democratic Attorney General who has gone too far, Shannon. It's ridiculous. We're not in the nanny state anymore, right?
Bob, quick final word.
Yeah, well, one minute we believe in states' rights to pass laws, and then the next we don't.
All right, gentlemen, we will follow this all the way to the trash heap and back. We'll see what the courts have to say. Thank you both for being good sports and weighing in. Bob and Andrew, see you again soon.
Bye.
Thanks.